Honda's next model for India comes in the form of the bigger Activa that the company showcased at the 2014 Auto Expo. It's called the Activa 125 and, as the name suggests, comes with a new 124.9cc engine. This motor has been tuned for a punchy low and mid-range as evident from the specs. While the maximum power at 8.6 bhp has been increased by only 7.5% over the current Activa, the maximum torque goes up by almost 16% to 10.12 Nm at the same engine RPM. Both the power and torque figures are higher than the 125cc segment leaders, the Suzuki Access and the Swiss Twins. The design of the 125 is slightly different as compared to the current Activa and yet can be immediately recognized as a Honda product. The front and side panels have a new angular design and it also gets a blacked out visor on the top of the headlight. Likewise, the tail lamp is new too and the scooter gets premium looking silver finished foot pegs for the pillion. The pillion grab rail is longer too, thus adding more visual appeal to the rear end. The new Activa gets a taller 12-inch wheel up front as compared to the 10-inch on the current one. It is also longer by almost 20 mm and the wheelbase has been increased by a good 22 mm as well. This means that the Activa 125 will have more room for large-sized riders. Other changes include a new speedometer display that has a digital display for the odo and trip meters. Honda plans to launch the scooter for commercial sale in the first quarter of the next financial year. A front disc brake should be standard and that means prices will start at around 48,000 to 50,000 ex-showroom, on par with its main rival, the Suzuki Access.